What it do? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video, live in the flesh. Y'all already know what's going down today, man. We getting this 392 differential installed finally, man. Had this thing for about like 4 months or so. My bad if this thing's not focusing on my face or nothing like that. Still need to get it adjusted and everything. But getting that big 392 installed today, I'm pretty geek for that. I picked up the Diablo iTuner 3 Platinum from Facebook Market. Y'all stay tuned, make a whole video about that. So we are ready as a rock. I got the axles back there. I don't know if y'all can see that. The differentials back there. Got all my fluid, new screws and all of that. So man, we are ready to go. But y'all stay tuned for this full video. Make sure y'all don't skip ahead, nothing like that. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all drop a comment for me, please. And tell me how y'all like the channel or anything, man. I definitely will respond. No problem at all. But Big Boy RT finna get the 392 differential in. Yes, sir. I will pick up the camera once I pull up to the shop, talk to the mechanics and all of that. So y'all stay with me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got this thing up in here. Feel me? Trying to figure out. Damn, bro. I need a light, but need a T60 or like a T55, something like that. Take off this part right here. My homie trying to figure that shit out right now. But, yeah. Besides that, should be route.
Working today too, Monday?
Yeah. Yo, so my homie said, gotta drop the exhaust. I'm straight pipe, so I think I gotta remove these clamps right here. You said I gotta remove these clamps right here, right?
Yeah.
Gotta remove these clamps. I think that's the first step to like getting this thing done. But man, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get the whole process. Man, my camera dark, but y'all see what bro doing. These exhaust clamps right here. Yep. Put that WD-40 for they won't snap, you feel me? That boy coming straight off.
One came out.
So you got that off. It was what is it called, a nut or whatever right here. So he took those off both sides, and I believe we gonna take this off to get to that exhaust fully. And I'm not exactly sure what else we gotta drop, but this thing coming out of here, dropping them axles. Yes, sir. So we coming from like basically the cat, and they said you gotta unscrew this bolt. So we're gonna go do that route, see what the hell happened, yo. So I think, how many bolts were on each side?
There's just one technically.
So I guess it was like one bolt on each side to drop the exhaust. So they doing that. Everything up here disconnected. Harnesses is disconnected and everything. So we're just waiting for those last couple bolts, and this exhaust gonna be dropped. Then we gonna hit the drive shaft or something like that. But man, y'all stay tuned. I know this video probably gonna be all over the place, but y'all, man, y'all stay tuned with me. Don't skip ahead, nothing like that. Yeah, big straight pipe out. Fuck you mean? Boy, Devontae in the game. What you mean? My boy from Cali, boy. He know about them real side shows. Fuck you mean?
Bro, don't introduce that.
Yo, stop playing with bro, for real. But man, we got this thing out of here, yo. About to get this.
We should drain this too.
You said what?
Did you ever put the e-brake on?
Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah,
Doesn't matter really.
I think I heard something about that.
I want the disc spin when y'all try to break the nuts loose and shit.
You want to drain it first, or do you want to just get the nut out right now? Come on, man, make this.
I'll be right back, man. We gotta figure this out. I think we gotta take off the wheels or some shit. We don't gotta take off the wheels?
Not right now.
Alright, so we're gonna take off the drive shaft. I know this drive shaft, you gotta be pretty careful, or that bitch is gonna throw it off balance or some shit.
Yeah.
But I gotta take off these little screwy screws right here. If y'all can see that. Big drive shaft finna come out this thing. Y'all see big exhaust on the floor. Good axles. Good diff. Dang, I forgot. And we back. So I had to put the car in neutral. Took it out of neutral to get these, what the hell, drive shaft bolts out of there. But I basically just put the parking brake on there, and I had it in neutral at first, but they got it in the position that they want, so it's all Gucci. I just put it, turned it off, and left the parking brake on, and now they removing the axle. They removing the goddamn bolts, and we're gonna go from there. I don't know what step this is. What step is this? Like step 3?
11?
What step is this? Like step 3?
Step that one.
You said what? Yeah, but man, y'all stay with the process. Y'all already know I'm showing y'all this shit. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get this drive shaft out of here. So they loosened all the bolts to the drive shaft. I think this is called a drive shaft coupler, some shit like that. I have no idea what it's called. But yeah. So they're gonna get something for it could like rest on there, because you should not have the drive shaft hanging. I heard that it'll fuck up your whole like calibration and driving and all of that.
We need to drain it actually right now.
And we're gonna drain that old diff fluid. I think this is probably like I think this is step like 5 maybe, step 6. Not sure, but we getting it done. Almost time for. Yo, so this step like probably like 7 or 8. What y'all doing now, gang?
So right now, Michael, so you said that, so Michael over there, he's taking out the diff. He's working on the process.
What, you working on that top mount? Yeah, he trying to take out that top mount right now. I watched a YouTube video. They was wild and they drilled a whole hole up in here. I'm not doing that. Wilding. But
tight, is it?
Yeah, I'm getting it. It's just not tight as fuck.
But like he said, he's able to get it, not drilling a hole to get to the nut. Wilding. But wait, what you doing over here? He loosening something.
So that we'll have more room and more control with this drive shaft as we're trying to take it out once the diff is dropped down.
Hell yeah, so they loosening that bolt, both sides obviously. Bro ass working over here, going to work. Yeah, bro. I would have been so mad if I would have drilled a hole through here, bro.
I'll be honest with you, man, this whole thing is a headache.
Yo, what he said, this is a headache. I appreciate my homies too, bro. They came in here on a Saturday, getting the job done. They don't work.
Back in. Where'd it go?
But it's a headache. It's just like, it's a lot of stuff you gotta do. But once you get it done,
it's possible, but it's just that you gotta have the patience. That's it.
yeah.
It's not connected anymore.
It's not connected? Oh, we got it.
So we finally got that one out. Oh, smacking my face in there.
Can you pry this forward now?
The drive shaft needs to move.
It needs to move?
Yeah.
So we got the whole, what the hell? We got this one out that goes to the differential. Now they're getting these 2 bolts. Oh shit, my bad. Okay. These 2 bolts up here. We're gonna get that shit taken out. The boys done got it out. Yes, sir.
No holes.
No, right, no. Bro, I swear Bro, I swear, I seen a video from some dudes from like Brooklyn or New York. They drilled a whole hole in here to get to that bolt. Didn't need, but I guess like they didn't have what is this? A lifter or whatever, and they were just on jacks. But
keep going.
yes.
Definitely creating power. Is that really all it can go? Can you maneuver this one whatsoever?
Nah, I don't think they're You don't got to take off the hub, right?
No, that's not necessary.
Shouldn't be. But we might.
Want to try hammer it?
Yo, what you say this was, a 32? Yo, so we got what is this, a spindle?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had to take off the spindle. I got new axle nuts. My new parts ran me about like $200 from Mopar. Shit was crazy, yo.
For just the nut?
Yeah. Yo, these niggas getting on my ass right now.
You said axle now, we just took that off the fucking...
Wait, what is this? What is this called right here?
That's a nut.
Oh, okay, this the hub spindle, and this the axle nut, right?
Call it the axle nut.
Y'all know I don't know shit about this.
That's right.
What?
That's right.
All right.
The axle nut, right?
Oh yeah. So yeah, I don't really know. They know what they're doing. I'm just paying them. You feel me? But yeah, we took that off. I replaced these. These probably like $15 at Mopar each. So I think you got to take off it on both sides. Then they gonna lift it back up and drain the fluid, and hopefully we'll be able to take everything out and get the new 3892 inside.
I'll guess 15 maybe.
So you gotta pry this axle out.
Hold on, I lost it.
If you guys, if you got,
You got it.
yeah, I was about to say, yeah, it's Gucci.
Fuck.
I think like it was rubbing against this shit right here.
Yeah.
You could probably, but man, I'm telling y'all, if y'all not at a shop and y'all doing this, it's gonna be pretty hard, no bat. You see that little air gun, that little tool just got that thing out of there. All right, we back on the cannons. We basically got that axle out. They loosening one more bolt for this. What is this called? Like the hubs assembly?
Technically,
For the hub assembly can drop like a ½ inch.
There you go. There you go.
As I speak, then they should be able to slide that axle.
You got it.
It's already sitting out of it.
They should be able to slide the axle out. Hopefully, everything goes as planned.
Oh yeah, other side.
God damn.
I need to hold on to this.
We are done.
You need this back right away.
Yes, sir. So y'all see me got the differential out. Y'all stay tuned for part two. Part two dropping soon after this one. But man, we should have the differential and next time I record. Yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned. Big Boy RT out with another video. Yes, sir.